हाँ जी, अस्सलाम वालेकुम. It's been a long time since I made my last vlog. It's been almost a week now. But आज की जो vlog की स्टोरी है, स्टोरी तो कुछ नहीं है, बस पढ़ने मांझने हैं, वो भी without any wage. अभी मैं सिटी सेंटर हूँ and I'm looking for black pants. I have been meaning to get new pants for some time. And the other reason is last time when I was going back home from my workplace, I fell down and I tore my pants. हाँ, इतना ज़्यादा नहीं, सिर्फ नीचे घुटने से थोड़ी चोट लगी थी और थोड़ी सी डैमेज हो गई थी पैंट. एनीवेज, मैंने फिर भी काफ़ी टाइम से सोचा था कि मैंने नई ब्लैक पैंट्स लेनी है, तो आज हम आए हैं. पहले TK Maxx लेंगे. Here I am at TK Maxx. Let's see if we can find some good pants and if it's on sale. I've noticed this one thing कि whenever you go to a store or a brand, जो men's section होता है ना, this is always or mostly on the second or third floor. तो सारा आपको store ऊपर चढ़ के जाना पड़ता है, then you get to the men's section, and which is a struggle. But anyways, we are still going. So this is TK Maxx. Hopefully, let's just see if we can find good reasonable pants, and I hope it's on sale or something. It's because it's Christmas season. The Black Friday sale is also finished, I believe, or maybe there's some sale left. Let's see. तो ये हम आ गए ऊपर और ये different sizes हैं. ये clearance है and this is also clearance. These are the jeans. I'm gonna go and check out the jeans. So these are all the jeans. I think I like this one. Okay, so I was here just to get one black pant. I ended up getting two jeans and going downstairs to check out and pay for these. मेरे ख्याल से ठीक मिल गई हैं, प्राइसेस तो अच्छी हैं, और प्लस बेस्ट बात यहाँ पे ये है कि if you don't like it or if it doesn't fit you, because you don't they don't have the try rooms available at this moment, so it's a policy you can return and exchange within 28 days of your purchase. So if I don't like it or if I don't want to return it, I can come back anytime within the 28 days. I have the receipt. So I'm now going to the checkout to pay for it, and let's see. So now I'm paying for my jeans, and the lady just confirmed that I can return it if it doesn't fit me within 28 days. The only thing is I need to have the receipt with me. So अभी जो फ़नी चीज़ हुई है कि मैं I went to the checkout to pay for my jeans, and ended up like the bill was not as it was on the tags. जो बिल था वो उससे ज़्यादा बन गया. I don't know, पता नहीं क्या हुआ, लेकिन there was something wrong with the system, और probably कोई टैग्स में प्रॉब्लम था, faulty टैग्स थे. तो I was in disbelief के यार ये क्या सीन है कि टैग्स पे तो कुछ और प्राइस लिखी हुई थी, और अभी चेकआउट के टाइम आया तो वो प्राइस चेंज हो गई, और ऑब्वियसली ज़्यादा थी, इसलिए मैंने कहा कि मिस कराओ यार इसको, ये लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं, अभी फिर बाद में ले लूँगा. इवन दो मुझे काफ़ी टाइम से मैं चाह रहा था कि एक ब्लैक जीन्स नहीं ले लूँ, क्योंकि वो पुरानी वाली पुरानी हो गई थी, और फिर मैं उस दिन काम से वापसी पे जा रहा था, तो मैं ट्रिप हो गया, तो थोड़ी सी साइड से नीचे घुटने से फट गई. बट एनीवेज अभी मैंने नहीं लिया है, तो फिर मैं बाद में ले लूँगा. अब कहीं और से ले लेंगे, देखते हैं क्या होता है. Alright guys, I am now heading towards the cafe जिधर आज मैंने एक ट्रायल शिफ्ट देनी है और वो 2 घंटे की होगी। मुझे बोला है कि आई विल बी वॉशिंग द डिशेस, बट देखते हैं क्या होता है। The only thing which is annoying me is that it's an unpaid trial shift, but this is how things are. So देखते हैं if I like to work, and the best thing about this is कि it is close to my place, so I don't need to travel that much, which I am doing right now. I have to travel a lot to go to the Amazon warehouse where I go every week. So I wanted an alternate for that, जिसके लिए मुझे ये मिली है ट्रायल शिफ्ट। अगर ये थिंग्स वर्क आउट, probably I will shift here and quit there and start here, but let's see what happens. But I'll let you know when I get out, when I finish the work, और फिर मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि कैसा एक्सपीरियंस था। Alright guys, I finished my trial shift and I worked there for 2 hours basically. So basically I just did some unloading of the supplies and put the supplies in the store, and did some washing of the dishes. I have to go to work tomorrow to Amazon, my current job, but hopefully if things work out, I'll switch my job and start working here. And this was about it. This was my vlog today. I hope आप सबको अच्छा लगा होगा। And ज़्यादा आज कुछ था नहीं मेरे पास कंटेंट बनाने को, but hopefully things will come up soon and I can make more interesting vlogs and tell you how I spend my day, what things I do. But take care of yourself. Do subscribe to my channel, like my video, and comment below whatever you think of my videos and what will you like to see in my next vlogs. And this is a bye from me. Allah Hafiz.